Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Have you ever plugged in a heavy appliance and suddenly, click, the power goes out? Let's decode a classic board exam question on electrical safety. Part 1 asks, name 2 safety measures commonly used in domestic electric circuits. Let's dive into the answer. The 2 most essential safety measures used in our homes are: first, the electric fuse. This is a vital safety device that prevents electrical fires and protects expensive appliances from overloading. It operates on the heating effect of electric current, meaning its special wire literally melts and breaks the circuit if the current gets dangerously high. The second critical safety measure is earthing. This is absolutely mandatory for appliances with a metallic body, like refrigerators or ovens. If current accidentally leaks to the metal body, the earth wire provides a low-resistance conducting path directly to the ground, saving you from a severe electric shock. Part 2 gives us a practical scenario. An electric oven has a power rating of 2 kilowatts at 220 volts. If we plug it into a circuit safely rated for 5 amperes, what result do you expect? We need to justify this with precise calculations. Let's tackle part 2. Will our 2 kilowatt oven safely run on a 5 ampere circuit? To find out, we must calculate the exact current the oven draws. We start with the fundamental power formula, power, P equals voltage, V, multiplied by current, I. Always list your given values first. The voltage of the oven, V, is 220 volts. The power, P, is 2 kilowatts. To use our formula correctly, we must convert this to watts. So, that's 2000 watts. And the current rating of our circuit is just 5 amperes. To find the current drawn by the oven, we simply rearrange our formula to solve for I. Current, I, equals power divided by voltage. Substituting our numbers, we get 2000 watts divided by 220 volts. When we calculate that, we get approximately 9.09 amperes. Now, let's analyze this result. The oven requires 9.09 amperes to operate properly. But our circuit can safely handle a maximum of only 5 amperes. This value significantly exceeds the safe limit. Because the current is too high, operating the oven will overload the circuit. The 5 ampere fuse will heat up, melt, and instantly break the connection. Consequently, the electric oven will simply not operate, successfully protecting your home from a potential fire hazard. And that's how you mathematically prove a safety concept exactly the way examiners want. Excellent job following along, keep practicing, and happy learning.